We back with another one. It's your boy Willie. How everybody doing today? The day I'm coming, a customer called me and said you got to push more and it won't run. It's been sitting up for a while. I checked it out and I see that it needs a carburetor on it. I'm gonna show you how to replace the carburetor today on a TB 360 push more Troy-bilt. Right here is what I'm trying to take off the cover and stuff on it. After it looks pretty new, so it does need to be replaced. Working on this lawnmower, so it's several lawnmowers that require you to do the same job. So you kind of use the same process on the other lawnmowers too, like your Husqvarnas, your Troy-bilts, or all your basically your homeowner lawnmower. Most of this process is the same. Also, I didn't clean the tank on here because the tank was pretty clean, but I did spray it out with brake cleaner to make sure it was clean and having trash in it. So all that was clean, and I, replaced the carburetor on it. Well, I did it before I replaced the carburetor on it. Right here, I'm putting on my gloves. I really don't like to get that old smelling gas on my hands, so I usually put my gloves on to do the job. I'm adding the fuse cutoff pliers right here. Use these to crimp the fuse off, stop the fuse from running. It really was, like I said, it really wasn't any fuel in the tank, but I'm not sure if any was in the line, so I just crimped it off anyway. I didn't want it to run all on my hands. Now here I'm taking pliers on removing that little clip that keeps the fuel line secured to the carburetor. So where the little few did run out, and this stuff smells pretty bad. It's more been sitting up, I think, for over 2 years. So you kind of need like a small 1/4 wrench and 8mm socket to get in here. So you kind of want to do it with that. I couldn't get my electric impact in her. If I could have got it in there and got it off, I would have did it with that, but I couldn't get it in there, so I just decided to do it with a 1/4 wrench. And when I put it back on, it's best to also use the wrench as well. You don't want to over tighten it by using impact. Most of the time I just use the impact to just get it started or to take it off. Then I removed the little spring I had on here, moved the little clip, the rods and stuff, your linkages, remove those. You want to make sure you hook that stuff back up right. One of them is the one that's running across the top above the starter cover. That's your linkage that controls the choke on it. When your motor heats up and get hot, it expands and pushes that thing open and lets it close back once the engine cools back off. That's the new carburetor I'm going to install. So remember how you unhook your linkages and hook them back up. How you took them off. Sometimes it can be tricky. Sometimes best, even myself. Sometimes I find myself questioning how I did it. So sometimes best just take a picture. But I've done it so much, I kind of know. That little back plate that goes on there, that has to be on there. What I'm doing now, I'm taking some brake cleaner or something and cleaning it before I put it back on there. Excuse me, kind of being in the way. It's a process, but I'm kind of just getting started, so just bear with me. I'm gonna get get everything set up, watch me present the videos to you a little bit better. But if you find this helpful, subscribe to my channel. Leave my comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what I can improve on. Pretty simple process. Maybe it takes 25, 20 minutes to do this process. This all depends on, how everything comes off and if you got to clean this and clean this. Like I said, you want to tighten these up. You don't want to get real aggressive with them, but you do want to tighten them, but you don't want to tighten them too tight. Right now I'm hooking the fuel line back up on it. You want to also put that clamp, make sure you put that clamp back on to secure the fuel line. If you don't, and you put everything back together, it's kind of hard to get in there. With some pliers, put it on once you put the air filter cover and stuff on it. Right here, I'm installing the spring back on it. You don't want to forget that. Also, that gasket ready. You want to make sure that gasket's in all those little tabs. It has to be in there. That's gasket very important for that carburetor, for that engine to run like it's supposed to. Like I said, excuse for being in the way. I'm trying my best to get things better, but just bear with me. You see, I only just barely bumping it to tighten it up. I'm not over aggressive to tighten it. Just, kind of securing it. It don't take much. And there you go. Put it back together. I'm going to show you all with running. But you see how it is running.